Your outfits aren't boring. They are just missing out on texture.
And that's why I picked these polos from Blue Buddha. The wine and black flat knit, 100% cotton. But this collar tipping, that's the detail that screams old money. Next is this maroon half sleeve. Look at this twisted yarn finish. It sits heavy, feels premium, and wait for it. It has velvet neck tape. No itching, just luxury. For the daily rotation, the khaki polo. Clean tipping, soft skin feel. It's the ultimate neutral that actually looks sharp.
Next level quality at a steal price. Upgrade your polo game with Blue Buddha.